Today we cover Chapter 5 Part 1 MCQs on fabrication, erection, and launching of girder. Questions 1 to 26. Question 1. Rail cluster, as temporary arrangement, can be used up to a span of options: A. 3.66 meters, B. 6.1 meters, C. 12.2 meters, D. 15.0 meters. Correct answer is A. 3.66 meters. Explanation. A rail cluster is a temporary arrangement made by grouping rails to support railway traffic during bridge works for small spans up to 3.66 meters. Question 2. The height gauge needs to be provided in options: A. RRB, B. RRB, C. FOB, D. Flyover. Correct answer is B. RRB. Explanation. A height gauge is provided on the approaches of a road under bridge to warn road vehicles about available vertical clearance and prevent overheight vehicles from colliding with the structure. Question 3. The temporary girders are generally required for bridge works. Options: A. On traffic condition, B. Under mega block, C. In cut and open method, D. In new route. Correct answer is A. On traffic condition. Explanation. Temporary girders are used when bridge work affects an existing railway line where traffic needs to be maintained during construction. Question 4. The BIS code for prestressing steel of plain hard drawn steel wire is options: A. Is 1785 Part 1, B. Is 2090, C. Is 6006, D. Is 226. Correct answer is A. Is 1785 Part 1. Explanation. Is 1785 Part 1 specifies requirements for plain hard drawn steel wire used in prestressed concrete. Question 5. The BIS code for prestressing steel of high tensile steel bar is options: A. Is 1785 Part 1, B. Is 2090, C. Is 6006, D. Is 226. Correct answer is B. Is 2090. Explanation. Is 2090 is the standard code for high tensile steel bars used in prestressed concrete construction. Question 6. The BIS code for prestressing steel of uncoated stress relieved strand is options: A. Is 1785 Part 1, B. Is 2090, C. Is 6006, D. Is 226. Correct answer is C. Is 6006. Explanation. Is 6006 covers specifications for uncoated stress relieved strand used for prestressing structures. Question 7. A bridge having superstructure with single or duplicate girders with cross sleepers on top flanges is classified as options: A. RSJ girder bridge, B. Cross girder, C. Deck plate girder, D. Open web girder. Correct answer is C. Deck plate girder. Explanation. Positioning track or sleepers directly on top flanges of main girders defines a deck plate girder arrangement. Question 8. Designated span to restricted head RH girder is equal to options: A. Overall length, B. Center to center span, C. Clear span, D. None of these. Correct answer is A. Overall length. Explanation. For RH girder terminology, the designated span corresponds directly to the overall length of the girder. Question 9. Structural steel for railway loading above 0 degrees Celsius temperature conforms to options: A. Is 2062 grade A, B. Is 2062 grade B, C. Is 2062 grade C? D. None of these. Correct answer is B. Is 2062 grade B? Explanation. Is 2062 grade B structural steel is specified for standard railway loading operating at temperatures above 0 degrees Celsius. Question 10. What is the carriageway width of a two-lane road over bridge? Options. A. 8.0 meters. B. 7.5 meters. C. 7.00 meters. D. 8.5 meters. Correct answer is B. 7.5 meters. Explanation. Standard carriageway width mandated for a two-lane road over bridge is 7.5 meters. Question 11. Weight of steel crib 75 by 75 by 10 mm angles is. Options. A. 200 kilograms. B. 187.2 kilograms. C. 210 kilograms. D. 185 kilograms. Correct answer is B. 187.2 kilograms. Explanation. A standard steel crib manufactured with 75 by 75 by 10 mm angle sections weighs 187.2 kilograms. Question 12. The depth of 19.81 meters long service girder is about. Options. A. 1.67 meters. B. 1.16 meters. C. 0.95 meters. D. 1.52 meters. Correct answer is B. 1.16 meters. Explanation. For a standard 19.81 meters railway service girder, the structural depth is approximately 1.16 meters. Question 13. Speed restriction required for using CC cribs as temporary arrangement is. Options. A. 15 km per hour. B. 20 km per hour. C. 25 km per hour. D. 30 km per hour. Correct answer is B. 20 km per hour. Explanation. When concrete cribs are deployed as a temporary support arrangement, train movements are limited to a maximum speed of 20 km/h. Question 14. Trestles can be used up to a height of. Options. A. 6.1 meters. B. 10.5 meters. C. 12.2 meters. D. 18.3 meters. Correct answer is A. 6.1 meters. Explanation. Trestles used as temporary supporting frameworks during bridge erection have a maximum standard height limit of 6.1 meters. Question 15. Dimensions of a plate girder are. Options. A. 851 mm by 851 mm. B. 355 mm by 254 mm. C. 851 mm by 254 mm. D. 551 mm by 254 mm. Correct answer is C. 851 mm by 254 mm. Explanation. Standard cross-sectional dimensions for this plate girder specification are 851 mm height by 254 mm. Flange width. Question 16. Ratio of diameter of drum of the winch to diameter of the wire rope is. Options. A. 10:1. B. 6:1. C. 12:1. D. 8:1. Correct answer is A. 10:1. Explanation. To prevent excessive bending stresses and fatigue on the wire rope, the minimum ratio of winch drum diameter to wire rope diameter is maintained at 10:1. Question 17. The standard length of steel girder of span 6.1 meters is blank m. Options. A. 6.83. B. 6.1. C. 6.70. D. 7.09. Correct answer is D. 7.09. Explanation. For a designated clear span of 6.1 meters, the overall manufactured standard steel girder length is 7.09 meters. Question 18. The standard length of steel girder of span 9.15 meters is blank m. Options: A. 9.75, B. 10.1, C. 10.2, D. 9.9. Correct answer is C. 10.2. Explanation. For a 9.15 meters clear span, the total standard overall length of the girder is 10.2 meters. Question 19. The standard length of girder of span 12.2 meters is blank m. Options: A. 12.9, B. 13.3, C. 13.0, D. 12.8. Correct answer is B. 13.3. Explanation. A steel girder designed for a 12.2 meters span has a standard overall manufactured length of 13.3 meters. Question 20. The standard length of steel girder of span 30.5 meters is blank m. Options: A. 32.45, B. 32.2, C. 33.45, D. 31.1. Correct answer is A. 32.45. Explanation. For a 30.5 meters clear span, the standard overall girder length including bearing seats is 32.45 meters. Question 21. The standard weight of steel girder of span 30.5 meters US is. Options: A. 111.454 tons, B. 56.16 tons, C. 42.16 tons, D. 52.16 tons. Correct answer is C. 42.16 tons. Explanation. The standard structural weight of an underslung steel girder designed for a 30.5 meters span is 42.16 tons. Question 22. The standard weight of 50 feet relieving girder is. Options: A. 20.78 tons, B. 18.78 tons, C. 42.16 tons, D. 16.78 tons. Correct answer is D. 16.78 tons. Explanation. A standard 50-foot relieving girder used for track support weighs 16.78 tons. Question 23. The standard weight of steel girder of span 45.7 meters US is blank tons. Options: A. 111.454, B. 91.454, C. 101.454, D. 42.16. Correct answer is A. 111.454. Explanation. For a 45.7 meters underslung steel girder span, the standard structural weight is 111.454 tons. Question 24. The standard weight of steel girder of span 61.0 meters US is. Options: A. 111.454, B. 191.52, C. 89.454, D. 192.52. Correct answer is B. 191.52. Explanation. An underslung steel girder spanning 61.0 meters has a total standard weight of 191.52 tons. Question 25. Shallow type girder can be used in. Options: A. RRBs, B. RRBs, C. FOBs, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. RRBs. Explanation. Shallow type girders are used in road underbridges where vertical clearance for road traffic below the track is restricted. Question 26. Under-slung girders can be used in options: A. Plain section, B. Ghat section, C. Aqueduct, D. Viaduct. Correct answer is B. Ghat section. Explanation: under-slung girders, where the main supporting structure lies entirely below track level, are suited for deep valleys in ghat sections.